Welcome to In the Kitchen with the Jenkins, and today this is our
Christmas edition chocolate crinkle cookies.
So one thing I really love about this cookie recipe, and I will tag it underneath this video, is that the base is almond butter. So no white flour, no white sugar. There's actually no sugar besides there's some maple syrup in this. So we're going to start with half a cup of almond butter.
This is unsweetened and unsalted.
True. Thank you. Good point. You didn't even know that. Oh, you saw that? Okay. Wait. Just let it drip and then take that spatula and then scoop that out of the cup. Yeah, we want to keep it in the bowl. Okay.
Didn't know my own strength.
Did you get it all? Okay, let's
I
help you out a little bit. Let's make sure we don't waste any almonds. So we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna scoop around.
It smells good.
And get that out. It's just almonds. It's ground up almonds. So the sweetener for these cookies is maple syrup, and there's nothing wrong with maple syrup. I like that it's a natural sweetener. So I like a good grade A Vermont. This is actually Canadian, but I get a good Canadian syrup too. So we're going to use this. We're just going to add a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. So there is no sugar in these cookies besides maple syrup. Next ingredient is just a 1/3 cup of blanched almond flour. I have tried different brands. I have tried Bob's Red Mill. It just changes the taste. I don't love it. Kirkland has been my favorite blanched, and it's ground up fine. So we're going to pour this 1/3 cup into the bowl.
Whee! Plop it right in there.
Knock it against the side of the bowl. Like inside the bowl. The next ingredient is vanilla extract. I actually like this organic vanilla extract from Whole Foods. It tastes better. It tastes cleaner. I'm not a big fan of McCormick. So we're going to add
3 teaspoons.
Hold it over the bowl. Like in the bowl. If a recipe calls for 1 teaspoon, I like to add 3. Okay.
So the next step is we're going to add 3 tablespoons of organic cocoa powder. 1, 2, and that's 1. Number 3. Next, we're gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And lastly, we're gonna add a 1/4 of salt. Teaspoon of salt.
That's right. That helps the cookie bake up. Don't ever skip that step. Now we're stirring everything together. This is making a good fudgy batter, which is the goal of the cookie. We'll make sure all the little lumps of cocoa are broken up. No one wants a lump of just dry cocoa in a cookie.
So I'm just mixing the rest of the dough, and then after I'm done, we're gonna roll them into little balls, put them in the oven, and wait. So the cookies will form into a cookie.
So now we're rolling out the cookie dough, making our cookies, making them flat. We're also taking some tapioca flour or tapioca starch so they don't stick to our gloves. So
remember, only a finger pinch.
Yes. As she gets it on her pajamas.
Yeah, buddy, your boy Papa about to taste the crinkle cookies. It's about to go down, so I'm doing a taste test. Let me see what Chef Nikki and my granddaughter Laila did to these cookies. Here we go.
Let's see.
See, I picked the biggest one too.
I'm scared. Woo!
2 thumbs up.